Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to oven air fry your chicken legs. So we have our chicken that has already been washed. We're gonna go ahead with and season this with garlic, ginger, celery, parsley, all together blended, and with salt and Maggi to taste. We're just gonna go ahead and marinate this, put this on a baking tray, and we'll go ahead and put it in our oven air fryer. As you can see, this is really cooking nicely, and always check to flip the side so it doesn't get burned on one side. Guys, our chicken legs are ready. See how beautiful it looks. This looks so nice. Go try this and you will definitely love it. This is a simple recipe. It's gonna take you about 30 minutes to come up with this delicious chicken legs. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you're already my subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. See you. Bye bye.